Hello, we are here with Christian from Pro KNX, and I am very interested to hear something about your voice control.
Oh, perfect. Thank you, Kivan. Thank you for inviting me here. Yes, our company is doing voice control for KNX, especially for KNX. The specialty of our voice control is that it runs completely offline. That means nothing will leave your home. Everything that's said at home will stay at home.
KNX is in the name of your company, but I'm presuming that then it is very easily integrated.
KNX is used by many servers. In the servers, you define the name of the rooms, the name of the functions, and everything. And you see these names also in the visualization. And these names are used by voice control afterwards. So if you have a living room with an applique, you can say, turn on the applique in the living room. That's the easy way to do it. So you don't have to do any additional configuration than to read out the server that is supported by our system.
Amazing. And in terms of new things that are coming up in the future, I've heard something about AI.
We can learn about the rooms, about the habits of the person, especially for elderly people perhaps, but also for energy purposes. And this pattern will be seen all over the day. And during the night, we put all this together with a model. And this AI model allows us to predict what will happen. And if something does not happen as it has been predicted, then the system may say, hey, do you have a problem? Do you need help perhaps? And then if you say yes, or if there's no answer, then the system may call for help.
Amazing. This is truly the future. Christian, thank you so much for coming to talk to us.